All right, guys, so hopefully you tried this one out. Let's see how we did. So this one says, every day an automobile factory assembles 8 more cars than trucks. Let T represent the number of trucks assembled and C represent the number of cars assembled. Complete the equation that represents the relationship between T and C. So right here we can see, if we look at our equation down at the bottom, the part of our rule that we have that's partial, we know that C is our output, and that's usually true because it's usually on the right-hand side of our function table, and of course T is then going to be our input. So the number of trucks is the input, the number of cars that they get out is the output. And we just need to find the correlation between inputs and outputs. So again, we can look 2, 3, 4, 5. I bet all of you know that that is adding by 1 each time. So we can see quickly that our inputs are just getting larger by 1. We're just adding 1 to each one to get to the next. And let's look at our outputs. Now, let's see, we've still got 10 to 11 is 1, 11 to 12 is 1, and 12 to 13 is 1. So we're adding 1 each time over here. So again, we've got a pretty straight correlation. This means we're probably not going to be multiplying by much of anything. This is going to be an addition problem. We can see that that's right down here. So we just need to know for each time we add in a number, it should be a straight adding some number to get to our output, because it's a 1-to-1 ratio. So 2 to 8 or 10, I know that's adding 8. Or we could say 10 minus 2 equals 8. And we could say the common difference, if this is a linear function, our common difference would be 8. So let's see if that works for these guys. 11 minus 3 would also give us 8. 12 minus 4 would give us 8. And 13 minus 8 would give us 5. So there we go. Each one is going to be, I take my T number, and since we're working the other direction, I'm going to add 8. So we could say T plus 8 should equal C. Or the number of trucks we are making in a given day, we add 8 more to that, we should get the number of cars. So go ahead and subtract that stuff out here. Let's see how we did. So we said we add 8 each time. We check it out. Because it was plus 1 on both sides, it should be a simple correlation between the two. And we got it. There we go. All right, guys. Now I would like you to try some on your own. I hope this was pretty easy for you. If you've got questions, though, as you're going into this, try one. If it doesn't go so hot, make sure you're hopping on office hours or shoot me an email so that I can help you out as best I can until you feel a little more comfortable with these rolling along. Remember, if you start to get some wrong, stop. Read those notes that IXL gives you. That's what it's there for. That should help you as your first line of defense towards getting any more wrong. And then if you hit the next one and you still get it wrong and you feel like you understood what they were trying to tell you, give me a call, and that's when I can help you out. We can run through a couple together. All right, guys, good luck. Have a great day.